Welcome to Team Tigio Court TV, where we upload videos every single day. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share our videos.
We will go on the record in the matter 25 FA16, in re the marriage of Casey Fisher and Bronson Fisher. Appearances are we have Casey Fisher appearing in person without counsel. We do not have Bronson Fisher making any appearance. We have been here a few times attempting to have the divorce finalized. Ms. Fisher was here on August 27th. In which we went over certain things. Ms. Fisher, were you able to send a certified letter? And you have that? If you can bring that to the court or to the clerk, please, so that she can have that and we can put it in the system.
I also have a text message, but
you can just be seated. That's fine. Did he pick up the certified letter? Is it signed?
I never heard any more about it.
All right. Thank you.
He did text my mother and say that she sent him a picture of the court paper too. And he responded and said, thanks for the update, Becky. I don't know how they use that as my address because there's no address here yet, but I'm working on applying for one. LOL, I hope things are well for you and your family these days. Love you, Becky.
So he knew of today's date and time. You have attempted to serve him in every way, shape, and form that you can. Is that correct?
Correct.
Except you have not done publication. You haven't publicized it, correct?
No.
But you've done everything else. You've had people try to find him to serve him. Is that correct?
Correct. Even his daughter has reached out and told him to just finalize it.
And so you've tried now this certified mail and he is not picking that up. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. All right. And so what are you asking of the court here today?
Just to finalize the divorce. I don't want anything. He doesn't want anything. He's already said that.
This doesn't involve any children, is
No.
that correct? And so how long have you been separated?
Since 2019.
Since 2019. All right. So it's been a long time. I'm going to have you raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay. So there, you can put your hand down. There's certain things that we're going to need to go through right now to make sure that everything is valid and everything is done correctly. Okay, Ms. Fisher. So when were you and the respondent married?
October 18th, 2014.
And there were no children born or adopted?
No.
And are you pregnant?
No.
Okay. And do you recall when you served the summons, or when you filed the summons and petition with the court?
This March.
In March of 2025?
Yes.
And have you lived in Wisconsin for at least 6 months?
Yes.
Have you lived in Burnett County for at least 30 days?
Yes.
And you said you've been separated since 2019?
Correct.
Are there any other legal actions affecting this marriage anywhere else?
No.
Are you in the active military service?
No.
Is he?
No.
The statutory waiting period has now lapsed. Are you requesting to change your name?
Not yet, because there's just too much that I have to switch around.
Well, what you can do if you want to go back to your maiden name is you can say, you know what, Judge, I'd like the ability to go to my maiden name if I choose. You don't have to do it right away, but once you start to do it and you say, I want to have my maiden name again, you have to then make the changes on everything.
Okay.
But today is the only day I can give you the right and the ability to change your name back to your maiden name if you wish.
Okay. Yes, I would
And
like
what
to.
is your maiden name?
Lamphere, Lamphere.
All right. So you will have the ability to change it. But again, once you start doing that, you have to change everything. You can't be Casey Lamphere on one and then Casey Fisher on another. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
All right. I'm not sure if you've done a financial disclosure statement.
I did.
You did? Let me pull that up. Now, I do have that in front of me and it lists certain items and your income and your expenses. And it was filed on May 16, 2025. Has anything changed?
I work at Wayne's now. I don't know what that said that I worked at. I think I might have worked at A&W then,
Okay.
But,
And so is your income mostly the same?
pretty much.
Okay. And your expenses are mostly the same?
Yes.
All right. And are you seeking any maintenance, which would be alimony that people are aware of?
No, he has nothing.
Okay. And so do you understand that if he were to win the lottery at 2 o'clock this afternoon, I think it's up to like millions and millions, I think, I'm not sure. But if he wins that lottery, do you understand that by waiving maintenance and you walk out this door, you will not be entitled to any amount of that money?
I understand and I don't care.
You understand that after today, when you waive a request for maintenance, it's forever. You can't come back and say, Judge, I made a mistake. I want to have maintenance.
Yes, I understand.
Has anyone made any threats or any promises to you for you to waive maintenance?
No.
Now, you've been separated for a significant amount of time. So is there any personal property that he has of yours that you are seeking?
No.
Is there any personal property that you would believe he is seeking from you?
No.
Is there a marital home?
Not really. Like,
Is it owned?
yeah, it would be in my parents' name because it's their property.
Okay, so it's a home owned by your parents.
Yeah, it's my mom's technically.
All right, but you live there or
Yeah.
you were renting?
Yeah, I
or
live there and
something?
pay all the bills.
Okay. All right, so what you have is what you have, what he has is what he has. What about debts? Do you have any joint debts together?
No.
No credit cards?
No, I have credit cards, but it was mine. Like, everything was, the marriage was weird. Everything was separate. Like, it was more like a relationship, you know? Like, I paid for everything, so.
Okay, and so what debts you have in your name, they will be yours?
Yes,
And what debts he has in his name, they will be his?
correct.
And there are, to your knowledge, no marital debts, no debt that has both you and his name on it?
No.
Okay. All right, is there anything else that you would like me to be aware of?
Not that I can think of.
All right, based upon the information that I've received here today, the residential and jurisdictional requirements have been met and the waiting period has lapsed. I am finding Mr. Bronson Fisher in default for his failure to appear here today. Ms. Fisher has made numerous attempts through multiple different sources to have Mr. Fisher appear today. He knew about today's hearing. There's a text message stated on the record that he sent to Ms. Fisher's mother. He is avoiding service. He is doing what he can to not be served. The divorce papers. The court will find that the marriage of Casey Fisher and Bronson Fisher is irretrievably broken. There's no chance of reconciliation. Do you believe that as well?
Yes.
Okay, no chance of reconciliation. The court will find that the waiver of maintenance done by Ms. Fisher has been done freely, intelligently, and voluntarily. No one has threatened her or promised her anything. Mr. Fisher is in default, so the court will find that he is not entitled to maintenance either. The court will also find that the property in Ms. Fisher's care and custody is hers, and whatever Mr. Fisher has is his. Nobody wants anything from the other. The debts as well, the debts in Ms. Fisher's name will be her debts. The debts in Mr. Fisher's name will be his debts. The court will permit Ms. Fisher to use her maiden name and change that back to Lamphere if she wishes to do so, with the provision that you must, as I've stated multiple times, you must change everything in a rapid succession and not wait and have two different names. And you understand that. The court will find that the financial disclosure statement has been prepared and is up to date or stated on the record. I do have to let you know that you cannot remarry anyone in any jurisdiction, even across the world, for 6 months. If you do, it is a void marriage. Okay, it's not legally, has no legal effect. It will be void. All right. So at this time at 10:52, the court will grant your divorce and you can be on your way.
Thank you so much.
You're gonna need to fill out some other documents and do some things.